Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Sea Ray 270 SDXs. The 27's been a super popular boat for us, so what we're going to do, we're going to go through the boat itself, point out some of the options. As you can see here, beautiful black gel coat. This one does have the new 8-cylinder Mercury Verado. There's a lot of improvements on these particular motors. We've been very happy with them. So the 27 is like the ultimate family boat. You've got your sea deck in the back, very comfortable loungers back here. One benefit too, since it's an outboard boat, less draft, you have a lot more cockpit and interior space because you don't have, the motor sitting right here. Plenty of seating all the way around. It does have the infinity carpeting. And on the back of this, it doesn't have the black stuff that, sometimes, once the boat gets older, it kind of gets a little brittle. Real nice fusion sound system, Simrad GPS chart plotter. All of the diagnostics on the boat also come up on that particular unit. Of course, digital throttle and shift, fully enclosed head with pump out. They've also kind of squared the bow off a little bit on these. Gives you a lot more interior space. So very deep all the way around. This particular color combination with the darker tan is one of my favorites. And you do have your big sports tower there, and also that will lower as well. If you have a bridge you have to get underneath. So anyways, recap, very popular model. We sell a ton of these things. Sea Ray 270 SDX 2019, brand new. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.